Children, Sairam. Today we are going to see about the chapter number 2 in EVS. So, shall we go for today's session? Okay, are you all ready, children? Very good. So, here we go. The topic of the lesson is how my body works. I repeat, how my body works. Now tell me, children, how do you write? Yes, you write with the help of your hands, right? So, in this chapter, we are going to see how your body works. Shall we go, children? Are you all ready? Okay, here we go. So, in your previous class, you learned about some parts of the body and what they helps us to do. For example, I told you earlier, right? You write with your hands, you walk with your hands, right? So, like that, you have learned some parts of the body in your previous class, right? So, let us try to remember what are they. Now, we are going to see what there are some sense organs in our human body, right? So we are going to see what are the sense organs that we are having. Okay, children. Now let's see here. Sense organs. Number 1, eyes. 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 I repeat the spelling, children. EYES. Eyes. Second one, ears. 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 I repeat the spelling, children. EARS. Ears. What is this? Ears. Okay, now tell me, children, how many ears we are having? Yes, we are having 2 ears. Third one, tongue. I repeat, tongue. Now we will see the spelling for tongue. 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 I repeat the spelling, children. TONGUE. Tongue. Now show me your tongue. Yes, this is your tongue. Next one, nose. NOSE. Show me your nose. Show me your shining nose, children. Yes, this is your nose. One and only pretty shining nose you all are having, right? Yes. NOSE. Nose. The last one, skin. 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 I repeat the spelling, children. SKIN. Show me your skin. You don't know? Okay, I'll show you. This is your skin. This is your skin. Now show me your skin. Yes, very good. What is this? This is your skin. Now we will see the sense organs, how it helps us. Okay, children. Here you can see the answers with the picture, isn't it? So first question, what do we do with our eyes? What do we do with our eyes? The answer is we see with our eyes. Whatever you are seeing, using with your eyes only, right? So we see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. 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 We see with our eyes. Second question. What do we do with our ears? What do we do with our ears? Any guess, children? Yes, we hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. So now, tell me, children, how many ears we are having? Yes, we are having 2 ears. How many eyes we are having? 1, 2. We are having 2 eyes and 2 ears. Very good. Shall we go for next question? Yes, here we go. Third question. What do we do with our tongue? So now tell me, children, what do we do with our tongue? Yes, as you can see the picture, we taste with our tongue. Whenever you eat food, you can feel the taste with your tongue, isn't it? So we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Next question. What do we do with our nose? What do we do with our nose? Now tell me, children, what we will do with the nose? Yes, we smell with our nose. You guessed it correctly. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. When your mother is cooking food for you, you will smell what it is with the help of your nose, right? What you are preparing, mama, you will ask your mother, right? So like that, we will smell everything with our nose. We'll smell with our nose. Fifth question. What do we do with our skin? What do we do with our skin? Now tell me, children, what we will do with our skin? Okay, I'll tell you the answer for you. Don't worry. We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Children, do you know one thing? Whenever you get hurt in somewhere in your body, you will feel the pain through the skin only. You know that? Yes. Like that, we will feel everything with our skin. We will feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. For example, if someone is pinching you like this, you will feel the pain directly in your skin only, right? Directly, first you will feel the pain in the skin only, right? So you feel with your skin. We feel with our skin. Okay, children, shall we go to the next page? Okay. Now we have seen that some sense organs, right? In our human body, we are having 5 sense organs, right? So like that, we are having some parts of the body that we cannot see. Okay, so now we are going to see what are they. That organs now we are going to see. It will be inside our body. It works inside from inside our body. Okay, that we cannot see. Now we can discuss about the organs which are working inside our body. Now first one, brain. First one, brain. Brain. Do you know what is brain? Yes. Wait. I'll show you one picture. You will better understand. See, this is our brain. This is our brain. Where it is? It is inside our head. It is inside our head. We cannot see the brain, but this brain helps us to think. This brain helps us to think. Second one, it controls all the sense organs and the way we think. It controls all sense organs and the way we think. Third one, the brain is inside the head. As I said earlier, the brain is inside our head. 3 points we are having for brain. First one, the brain helps us to think. It controls all sense organs and the way we think. Third one, the brain is inside the head. Now tell me what part it is. What organ is this? Yes, brain. What is this? Brain. So the next one we are going to see about the part is lungs. Lungs. The lungs helps our body to use the air that we breathe in through the nose. When we are doing like this, we are inhaling the oxygen, right? So it will directly go to lungs. The first picture you can see, the two pictures are there, right? Brown one, green one. Those two are lungs. So we are having two lungs. Where you can see your lungs, it is in your chest. It is in your chest. We are having two lungs. Okay. Now tell me children, how many lungs we are having? One or two? Yes, we are having two lungs. Where you can see where the lungs is located. So there are two lungs in the chest. There are two lungs in the chest. How we breathe in inside the earth? Through the nose. The lungs helps our bodies to use the air that we breathe through the nose. Inside the nose, when we inhale like this, the air will go inside through the nose to the lungs. Okay, children. Okay, shall we go to next organ to discuss about the next organ? Yes. Third one is heart. I'll repeat. Third one is heart. First thing, the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It pumps like this. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. I'll repeat, children. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Second one, the heart is on the left side of the chest. The heart is on the left side of the chest. So what is this? You can see the picture. Yes. What is this? This is heart. What is this? This is heart. So what it does to us? The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Like this. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Second one, the heart is on the left side of the chest. Next organ is stomach. I'll repeat again, stomach. Here you can see the stomach. Here you can see the arrow mark, children, right? So this is what? Stomach. Stomach. The food that we swallow directly goes to the stomach. When you chew something, when you are eating something, when you are eating a food, it directly goes to your stomach. It directly goes to your stomach. Second thing, in the stomach, the food is broken down or digested. In the stomach, the food is broken down or digested. The breaking down of food is called digestion. The breaking down of food is called digestion. Yes, what is this? Stomach. So, now we have seen four body parts that we cannot see, right? Those parts are called internal organs. I'll repeat the term, children. Internal organs. Now we see what is an internal organ. The brain, lungs, and stomach are known as organs. Like eyes, ears, nose, these are all also an organ. Okay, the brain, lungs, heart, and stomach are known as organs, but they are found inside our body. We cannot see brain, lungs, stomach, and heart, right? So these are called as what? Any guess, children? Yes, internal organs. These are called as internal organs. Now we are going to see about one exercise. Let me see what is that. Match each organ with the work it does. Match each organ with the work it does. Here one example is done for you for your better understanding. Okay, children. First one, the stomach. The stomach. Here we are having four options. I'll read for you. Helps us breathe, helps us think, pumps blood. Fourth one, digests food. In these four options, what the stomach will do? How stomach will help us? Now tell me, children. Yes, it helps us to digest food. The stomach digests food. Like that. Second question, third question, fourth question, you have to find out the answer and write down in your note. Okay, children. The next one, it is also one small exercise for you. The topic is which internal organs helps you. I'll repeat the heading, children. Which internal organ helps you? Here we are having some questions. Now you are going to tell me, children, what activity will be done with the help of which organ. Okay, children. First one, when you eat. When will you eat? We are having three options here. I'll tell you the option. First one, digestion. Second one, stomach. Third one, brain. In these three options, what is the correct answer? Yes, with the help of your stomach only, when you can eat your food. Okay, with the help of stomach you can eat your food. Second question, when you do your homework. I know you all are doing homework properly. Okay, There are three options. I'll tell you the options again. First one A, brain. Second one B, lungs. Third one C, stomach. In these three options, which one is correct, children? Yes, brain. Option A, brain is the correct answer. When you think to do your homework, then only you will finish your homework, right? So, brain is helps you to think to do your homework. Third one, when you breathe, we'll breathe with the help of heart. Am I correct? No. Sorry, what is the right answer? Yes, lungs. The option A, lungs is the right answer. Option A, lungs is the right answer. We will breathe with the help of lungs. Okay, children, next activity. Circle the odd word in each set. Circle the odd word in each set. Now, write down these words in your notebook, children. Afterwards, you just circle the odd word in each set. The first one, head. Second one is stomach. Third one is brain. Fourth one is think. In these four words, which one is odd one? Any guesses, children? Okay, I'll tell you. First one is head. Inside our head, what we are having? Brain. Very good. Brain. Brain helps us to think. So, head, brain, think. These three words are related, isn't it? So, which one is odd one, children? Stomach. Second one, lung, head, breathe, chest. Here in this set, which one is odd? Okay, I'll explain you. Lungs. With the help of lungs, we are breathing, right? So, where is your lungs? In your chest, isn't it? So, the odd one is? Very good. Head. For second set, the odd one is head. You have to write down all these words and you have to circle the odd one in each set, children. I have done first two sets for you. The other two sets you have to find out and you have to find out the answer and circle that one. In next class we will see what is the correct answer. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter, children. Till then, be safe, stay home. Thank you.